Welcome. In this example, we're going to express vectors in component form, and we're going to make sketches of them. For both parts A and B, you're given 2 points. For parts A, our first point P is at the origin, and the terminal point Q is at 5, 3. We want to express the vector in component form after we sketch it, of course. So let's begin with the sketch. Please take a moment and go ahead and sketch an origin of your own. And here is point P. And now point Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units over, so it'll be along this vertical line. And then up 3 units, it's 1, 2, 3, so along this horizontal line. And that puts us right there. And so now the vector with initial point P and terminal point Q is going to look like this. This is the vector PQ. Now let's go ahead and write it in component form. PQ is equal to the x value of the terminal point Q, that's 5, minus the x value of the initial point, which is 0. And then for the y component, we have 3 minus 0. And that gives us 5, 3. Okay, so let's look at part B. Now our initial point is at A and our terminal point is at B. And I know this because we want to sketch the vector AB. So I know that A is the initial point and B is the terminal point. And let's go ahead and sketch it and then express it in component form. So our initial point A is located at -1 and then up 1, 2, so that would be here. Our terminal point is located at the point 1, 2, then up vertically 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's here. So this vector looks like this. And again, this is vector A to B. Now let's go ahead and express this vector in component form. That is, we can express vector A to B as beginning with the y value of the x value of the terminal point, which is 2. And then we're going to subtract the x value of the initial point, which is -1. And then do the same for the y component. So that is 3 minus 2. And we end up with a vector AB is equal to 3, 1. I hope you found this video helpful.